Habits, it will either make you or break you. Now, please understand, you need to have some great rituals, some great habits, so that you can become the best version of yourself in all the 5 areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. Now today, what I am going to share with you are the 3 powerful habits which you should start doing every morning before you leave to your office. Now I am not telling you to become a 5 riser, to wake up at 5, 6, 7, whatever time you wake up, but do these 3 habits. The way you brush your teeth, you bath. Plus, if you start adding these 3 habits, I promise you guys, your life will completely change. Hi, this is Amol Karale. I'm the founder of Morning Ritual Miracle and Law of Attraction Specialist. And till date, I have trained more than 20,000 plus people to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 key areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. Now, I am a firm believer in habits. The reason whatever I have achieved in my life since last 4 years, it's because of rituals and forming great habits. Now, these are the 3 habits I want you should start implementing starting from tomorrow itself. And I'll be showing you the practical steps on how to follow these habits. The first thing, as soon as you wake up in the morning, you should start with gratitude. Now, it's very simple to do gratitude. What you should do, you just close your eyes, close both of your hands, and start visualizing all the things that you're grateful for. Imagine you have got a beautiful life. Imagine you have your parents, your mom, your dad, you're working, you have a job, you're making money, you have your family, you have some strength that God in us has gifted you. Imagine there are so many things that you can be grateful for. Be grateful for your home, be grateful for the clothes which you wear every day, be grateful for the food which you eat every day. Early morning, you should start following the gratitude principles. Every morning you should visualize it. Every morning you take your gratitude journal, take one notebook and pen and start writing all the top 5, 10 things that you're grateful for. Because the moment you start doing gratitude every day, you'll see some amazing changes in your life. You will heal yourself. Believe me, the more you practice your gratitude, you'll become more positive, you'll become more confident, you'll overcome your fears, you'll overcome your stress, you'll overcome your depression. But the problem is, most of the people start their gratitude journey, they start doing gratitude journaling, but they're not consistent. And hardly it will take 2 to 3 minutes to practice this gratitude. Hardly it will take 2 minutes to write down all the things that you're grateful for. So the first habit I want you should form is of gratitude. Be grateful, be thankful for all the beautiful things that God in us has gifted you. The second habit which I want you should form, affirmations. Trust me guys, affirmation work. The problem is we are not working on our mindset. And please understand, if you really want to become successful in life, you need to start working on your mindset, because success equal to 90% mindset plus 10% skills and plus 100% massive actions. And how will you work on your mindset? When you do affirmations, when you install some powerful belief in subconscious mind. And most of the people, they have affirmations, they do affirmations, but only for career and money. And if you really want to become successful, you need to have affirmations in all the 4 key areas of life: health, career, relationship, and money. The reason law of attraction is not working for you, the reason morning ritual is not working for you, because you're not doing affirmations in a correct way. So you need to practice, and when you do affirmations, you should do with emotions, with feelings, with certainty, with high energy, with lot of belief. Now, if I read my affirmations, every morning me and my community will practice these affirmations. So I'll read out my few of my affirmations, so you feel how to do the affirmations. It's all about believing in it. It's all about 4 buttons that God and universe has gifted us. I feel, I think, I believe, I act as if I already have in my life. Now let me read my 4 affirmations. So all these 4 affirmations are in health, career, relationship, and money. Every morning I come into peak performance state and I read these affirmations with high emotions, with high feelings. Let me help you how to do your affirmations. In my health, thank you God, thank you universe, I'm a perfect body, ideal weight of 65 kgs and I'm feeling amazing, energetic, fit and active. I love exercising, I love swimming, I love cycling, I love eating healthy food every day. You should repeat it for 2 times, 3 times. So this is my health affirmation. You should have affirmation in your relationship. In my relationship, thank you God, thank you universe, I have lots of love in my life. I'm in an amazing relationship with my beautiful and wonderful family, with my wife, and I spend a lot of time with my family. In career, in my career, thank you God, thank you universe, I'm able to add lots of values in people's life with morning ritual, miracle and law of attraction. I'm happy, satisfied and fulfilled in my career because I'm the best at what I do. I give 10x times value to people from the money which I receive and the coaching that I give. In my financial life, thank you God, thank you universe, I earn so and so money per month consistently on total autopilot mode, doing things which I love to do, helping millions of people to live a happy, prosperous and spiritual lifestyle and helping them to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 key areas of life: health, relationship, money and spiritual. I have already achieved my mission of taking morning ritual, miracle and law of attraction to each and every home. I repeat these affirmations every day, at least for 3 times, 5 times, and then I close my eyes and visualize it. This is the power of affirmation, guys. You should feel it. If you don't have emotion involved in it, if you don't feel it, it will not come into reality. And I promise you guys, if you practice it every day, your life will going to be changed. I was not the same person till 2018. My life has completely changed just following morning rituals, just doing affirmations, installing some powerful belief in subconscious mind. And if you really want to experience this, if you really want to know all the rituals which can help you to become successful, I really want to welcome you to join my free workshop. So somewhere in the description you will find the link. Attend my workshop, learn from it. It's a free workshop, you don't need to pay anything. Just learn from it, and if you want to implement, you can start implementing. And if you implement, you will get success. Nothing will happen to me, but it's all about you. So you should do your affirmations every day in all the 4 key areas of life. The third habit which I want you should build is set goals. Every morning, as soon as you wake up in the morning, when you complete your gratitude affirmations, first write down your goals. What are the goals that you want to achieve? Writing your goals, visualizing your goals plays a very important role in your success. And how to write goals? Very simple. There's a proper format, and if you follow that format, it will really see magic. Really start seeing magic in your life. So how to write goals? Very simple way. I'm so happy and grateful that my goal of write your goal, whatever goal you want to achieve, write the date and time when you want to achieve, and then by the great blessings of God and universe. And you should have goal in all the 4 key areas of life. When you start writing goals, when you start visualizing it, I promise you it will come into reality. Provided you take small baby action steps. Provided you take actions towards that goal. Because if you don't take action, neither law of attraction works, neither morning ritual works, neither goal writing, neither affirmation will work. Because attraction, if you divide into 2 parts, it says attract plus action. If you see in affirmation, the last word says about action. So you need to take actions. But the reason you should do this morning rituals, the reason you should have these 3 habits, because it will help you to reach your goal at a faster pace. So what are 3 habits that I want you should form? Affirmations, gratitude and setting goal and achieving them. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, do subscribe to my channel, because I'm on a mission to transform billions of lives, to help them to become the best version of themselves in all the key areas of life. See you in my next video.